Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. I'll be walking you through how to use Spotter Studio AI, designed to provide YouTube creators with an all-in-one toolkit for coming up with content ideas, spotting trends, and planning your content from start to finish. Spotter Studio features are split into three main categories. First, brainstorm. This is where Spotter AI suggests video ideas that are personal to your content style and are based on real YouTube data, so you know they're likely to perform well. You've also got the idea bank where you can add, organize, and prioritize your ideas. The Outliers tool helps you find breakout videos that your audience loves so you can create similar content that connects with them. Getting started is simple. From the home page, click New Project. Type in a keyword and Spotter can instantly generate a thumbnail for you. You can choose a realistic photo style or an artistic design. You can also create your video title and description right here. Now, one of the best features on Spotter Studio is the Labs section. Click Labs on the sidebar and you'll find some of Spotter Studio's most powerful tools. There's Trend Spotter, where you can see overperforming videos across YouTube and use them as inspiration. Title Explorer helps you find the perfect title for your next upload. Idea Workshop is where you can easily start a brainstorming session, and Thumbnail Explorer is where you can generate the perfect thumbnail in seconds. If you're just starting out, go straight to Labs as it organizes and puts all the best tools in one easy place. And that's it for this quick guide to Spotter Studio AI. If you found this helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, and use Spotter Studios to help your channel grow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.